Today is a new day and it is a summer type of day. I am going to kind of show you guys what we do on a summer day because, you know, things change, things are different. There's a lot going on outside and yeah, we're gonna kind of have a fun-filled Disney day. I tend to go a lot in the summer to Disney just because they have so much going on and the girls love going there. They are at the age where they love princesses. So, yeah, Mama. You want to see Elsa? Yeah, and Little Mermaid? Exactly. So, we're gonna go to Hollywood Studios. Our goal is to see Princess Elsa, Anna, and the Little Mermaid and eat some good food, have a good time, you know? But before we leave, I do want to start lunch / dinner.
Mommy, I go see Bluey.
And Bluey?
Bluey.
No, Bluey's not there, but maybe we can see Mickey.
Mickey?
Yeah.
I see Goofy.
And Goofy. That's right. Anyways, so we're gonna be starting our lunch / dinner. My husband is gonna stay here and work. And Daisy. That's right, and Minnie. All of them. So we're going to make a lasagna. Okay, that's what I've been trying to get at this whole time. We're gonna make a lasagna so that my husband can eat it for lunch and then we can eat it when we get back from the parks. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
Don't know if I was aware a piece was missing. In this puzzle I used to call my life. Oh no, didn't even care enough to be dismissive. I just kept keeping on.
All right, you guys, we have made it to Disney's Hollywood Studios and there is so much going on here. We are so excited. We have several missions. We're gonna try to find Mickey. We're gonna try to see if we can see the Elsa show and let's see what other characters we can find. Obviously, ice cream is a must, so let's go.
Live your life within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. To the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
All right, you guys, we just finished with the summer, I don't even know what it's called. I'll leave it right here, but it's a summer thing that they're doing and it was so much fun. The girls absolutely loved playing in the dance party with all the characters. And let me tell you, it's not just for little kids. If you want a picture up close and personal with some of these characters, that is your opportunity. They are dancing, roaming around in that room. You get some AC, it's really fun. You get to dance to some really old school songs. I had a blast. If I wasn't with my kids, I would still go in there. They also have Goofy and Donald roaming around. They have activities in the courtyard. And then you have Chip and Dale, Daisy, Max, and Clarabelle with their stations where they take pictures. So you can go get in line and take a picture with them. But now we are gonna go have some food because we are hungry, and then we're gonna try to catch the next Elsa show. It's a hot day. It's perfect for finding some AC when it's boiling hot. All right, we settled with Docking Bay. It's starting to rain though, so we gotta kind of hurry. They also officially closed off the Muppets area. I can't wait for Monsters Inc. We just finished eating. This is my first time eating at Docking Bay 7. I've obviously had a Ronto Wrap before, but the Yuko fries are a nice touch, I must say. That whole meal is a bang. And the kids meal is pretty big. I actually split one kids meal between the two girls. They didn't even eat it all. It has mac and cheese, chicken, and broccoli, and I split everything between the two. Perfect. Perfect to save some money in case you need to. And to be honest, it's probably a good meal for like adult as well. It's a lot of food. We are now getting ready to go probably see the Frozen show. They have their little sing-along improv show here, which my little one is really into her, so we gotta kind of do it. Yeah, you want Elsa?
Find Elsa. Elsa, everybody!
Look, who is it? Who is it? Elsa!
I love you. Queen Elsa!
The strawberry fruit bar. We have to get a second ice cream because this little one wanted her own, of course. Also, the cup is the way to go. This gets very messy. Hello, today is a new day and we are on our way for a nice bike ride. It's a little cloudy, which is good, but we're gonna ride about 4 miles and go to a splash pad because it is hot, y'all. Hot, 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 hot. We've got our sunscreen on. We got our safety sunshades. We should be good. So let's have some fun.
So you're in a hurry? Well, you better calm down. We're all friends around you, just join the fun. 'Cause if you're in a hurry, you're missing the point. Should enjoy the fruits of life instead of chasing coins. 'Cause it's a beautiful day.
We have made it back home. I'm currently doing a really fast lunch because I am going to get a bike fit. So I have been training on my bike and having really bad neck pain, and asked my coach, and she said that basically I needed a fitting for my bike, a bike fitting, and she referred me to a woman who has a bike shop, and we have an appointment at 4. I'm trying so hard to just hurry up and get this food going. We'll see if we can make it happen. All right, it is the next morning and we got our bike fitting. So essentially overall what happened and why I'm struggling a little bit is I bought a bike that was too small for me. Even though I went to the Trek store and they told me it was 48, the way this bike is designed, he said he would have given me like a 50 or a 52 even. And I even tried like that size bike, and yeah, it just felt much better. So he said what we're gonna try to do is try to make this one work, obviously because I bought it off of Facebook Market. And we did several things. The first thing is we actually raised the seat. It was extremely low and needed to be raised to make sure that my foot was fully extended. We also made sure that my knee and my toe aligned every time I would bend my leg, and that was good. But once we raised the seat itself, then my handlebar was too low. And with the bikes, I guess you want the seat as well as the handlebar to kind of be leveled. So what we did is we actually ended up adding a bike extender, but one that actually moved forward and backward, because since I've been having neck problems, he said essentially I'm just new to riding. So that is a big why my neck hurts, and I have to condition it, and then over time what will happen is I'll get more comfortable, and then I can lower the handlebars. So not only did he add the extender, he also lifted the handlebar a little bit, so I'm sitting up a little and not as crunched down. Obviously, he said with time, once my neck gets adjusted, then we will move the handlebar lower, lower, lower until it's flat the way that it's supposed to be. But for now, this is the solution that we have. He also added air into my tires. I'm struggling with like pumping air in my tires for some reason. It just doesn't get to the number that I need it to be, like around 120. And so he did that, and he fixed one of my my gear. It was shifted a little bit, so it was sounding. He fixed that, and we should be good. Now, one thing he did suggest is to get new tires. So I think eventually I do have to get new tires, but that's gonna be something later on. Ooh, and the last thing, he said to make sure to pedal with the balls of my feet. So that is today's task. We're going to do a zone 2 ride. Practice kind of just pedaling the correct way and just seeing how the bike feels, because after the bike adjustment, he did say other parts of your body might start to hurt. So it's an adjustment period once again. Change of plans. We have a flat tire. So I replaced the tube on this one, but I have not replaced the tube on this one. And I think when they put air in it, it's so old, it popped. or just deflated. So now I gotta change that. And instead, we're going for a run. Well, that took a turn this morning. I am now about to buy a tire for, what's it called? A rubber tire, a tire insert. I don't even know. I can't think right now. But I'm about to buy the tire so that I can replace it. It'll get here tomorrow. And hopefully we can postpone our bike ride for then. But, you know, sometimes this happens. It's probably a good lesson. I need to learn how to change the tubing. That's the word. The tubing for inside the tire. I've never done it before, and I really need to work on that. So we're going to learn how to do that tomorrow. Well, this completes this video. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.